So it is a celebration of innovation and discovery. That's what this is all about.
The National Academy of Inventors is a distinguished organization that recognizes, encourages, and enhances the visibility of inventors holding U.S. patents.
Part of this is about bringing like-minded innovators of all levels of experience.
What's the purpose of a research institution? Bold new discoveries that change the world, not just in theory, but in practice, fueled by entrepreneurship to translate technology and drive the local economy. Giving voice to the voiceless, bringing new drug compounds to the market that could be tomorrow's cure for a rare disease, solving food waste problems globally.
So it's very much about impact. It's about building out a global university system that will maximize our impact in the world.
The new chapter is a vehicle to nurture research innovation and entrepreneurship across the global network. It will recognize and celebrate inventors and entrepreneurs both individually and as a part of the community, educate and inspire the next generation of inventors, promote industry collaboration, and more broadly, amplify messaging about research accomplishments.
We're looking forward to collaborating and connecting with other Academy members and to help fuel research, innovation and discovery on our campuses and beyond the campuses alongside our partners.